What is a 1099 NEC on Credit Karma tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The 1099 NEC form is used to report non-employee compensation such as payment made to independent contractors, freelancers or self-employed individuals. If you have received income as a non-employee such as a freelancer or independent contractor, the entity or individual who paid you typically issues a 1099 NEC form to report the income they have paid you during the tax year. This form reports the total amount of non-employee compensation you received. As the recipient of the income, you are responsible for reporting the income listed on the 1099 NEC form on your tax return. You will need to include this income when you file your taxes, regardless of whether you received a physical copy of the form or not. On Credit Karma Tax, you should be able to enter the information from your 1099 NEC when you are filing out your tax return. You have to ensure that you are accurately reporting all the income from your 1099 NEC on your tax return. All you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt and there will be a section where you can input income from various sources, including non-employee compensation. Failing to report this income or inaccurately reporting it could result in penalties or an audit from the IRS. Like any other tax forms, the 1099 NEC has a deadline for both issuance by the payer and reporting by the recipient. Payers must typically include the 1099 NEC to recipients by January 31st, and recipients must include this income on their tax return when filing by the tax deadline until April 15th unless it falls on weekend or holiday. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.